Here I have HUAWEI Mate 9 Pro, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again, just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as HUAWEI logo pops up in front of you, and let's wait a couple of seconds. So as you can see, this is the HUAWEI recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. So right now the device is formatting the cache files. The device is just erasing the temporary cache files. Your other personal stuff won't be affected, and as soon as HUAWEI recovery mode pops up again on the screen, let's choose Reboot System Now and press power key to confirm it. So right now the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see, the home screen just pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your smartphone. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.